egg for Tatay Digong was kept that place, guys.
Ito siya gisulod o kana o pag katong sa news bitaw nga naabot na siya diri sa Holland. Kana siya diha siya gisulod. Portahan nga dako.
Tama ng portahan na tayo. Pakane? Oh. Tatay Digong is there inside.
Tatay, we are here.
Prayers for you.
Prayers for you, Tay.
Den Haag mo na
We're praying for Tatay Digong.
Yes, I feel so sad for his situation here.
We are the only three left and survive. So today we're here in Amsterdam with my friends. So we're going to the center and we're trying to ride the boat so we can explore the canal. This is a typical Amsterdam transportation. Ano muna kami mag-lunch? Pakit-cute man ka. Sabi ni Mog, nag-diet ka. We're done with our lunch. Quick lunch.
Meet some friends.
Yeah, we have new friends here. Hello. Anne Frank house. Yung Jewish na girl na nag-hide for so many years. Ito yun. Yan. Sa Maniway? Oh, nara. Lumagpas na kami dun sa magandang, mas malaking canal. Nagpa-picture kami daan. So we're going to the square. So it's a beautiful weather here in Amsterdam. It's July but it's not so hot because the wind is still chilly. Say hi, Daya.
Best place, can walking a lot, walking.
Yeah.
Sige, bumbot.
Walking in Amsterdam. In the center. City center. Ganito ang mga cheese nila. Super big.
Madam Tussauds, oh.
Oh, Madame Tussauds. So we're here in the Dam Square. Here in Amsterdam.
Lang ang weed, oh, nagmaho na.
Oh my God, you can really smell the marijuana here.
Smelling really marijuana.
Smells so good. Smells so good.
At dito kay
Hello, oh, na yung mga kalapate.
Yes, I have picture of that. Asa naman itong billion for? Kasal. Dior.
Oh, din hindi. Ano no, ito pala yung Dam Square.
So, di ba na nakadiri?
Bongacious. So sa mga peps.
Balik na to.
Oh, mutabok na to. Go, di pa man go. Sikat! Sikat! Oh, green na. Green na. Hintay na kami sa aming sasakyan guys, papuntang Zaandam. So it's outside the city. Samo ka ang cellphone kay mo blurred.
Wow, nice. Ay, balay-balay din. Wow, John Jones. Wow. The sulok.
It's their look, oh. The green there with the clock. That's it. I see already the
Hey! On our way to the famous, the landmark of Zaandam. The the famous hotel, the unique one.
Wait, ay, New Yorker na yun. Day, kanang New Yorker, ako na siya yung dili ka ng TJ Maxx.
Oh, di palit ng short din ha.
New Yorker, barato kayo na
Hindi kayo siya bahal ba yun?
Oo, lami kayo mga...
Ala, hapit gini sila ron.
Palit ng short din.
Hapit yun din sila ron.
Sige, dito
Ang New Yorker daw.
Sige, dito, si Kids yun, ito, sa daan mo lakaw-lakaw.
Mga animal.
Kain na dali.
Mga mananap, no?
Day, anak with si Ruti. Ang tawag si Ruti ba sa Germany? Dong. Inawati mo dili dong. Ato rin tag New Yorker dong. Ma'am, tatawa lang mga perfume niya.
Mo ba?
Wapa. Wapa.
Wala ba ka? Laidin lumapog ka.
Dili. Ako yung magpam...
Ito na yung landmark ng Zaandam. Para talaga siyang like mga villages, colorful villages. Shopping daw sila. Shopping daw sila sa New Yorker doon. Kasi ang mura lang daw. Yun na. So the iconic hotel in Zaandam. That's the one, guys. Super unique and pretty. So dyan, guys, may mga restaurant sa building na yan. Ito, sabi nila, this is a hotel. Yan. It's very nice here. It's like a villages, no? So nice. Yay! Holland! Magsha-shopping daw sila. Ako lang ang yayabel sa chaperon ako.
Yes.
Ah, sarado na?
Yes. Albert Heiner, dali. Magpalit ko something to eat. Dili, di na taka-akid yan.
Daghan kayo ni siya sa Germany.
Nandito yung mga restaurants and other shops.